Next, I'll show you how to monetize your web app by connecting Google AdSense with just a few clicks and a simple prompt. In a new tab, go to adsense.google.com. I've left a link to it in the description below. Next, sign up or sign in. After that, you'll be routed to an onboarding flow. Enter your site's URL. In our case, that's info-snap.com. Then complete the rest of the form with your information. Finally, click Start using AdSense. Next, you'll land on the AdSense dashboard. There are 3 main steps here to get your website connected. Let's start with the first, entering payment information. Click the Enter Information button on the left. Then complete the form. After completing that form, under the Center Ads block, click Explore to see how ads look on your site. Google will prepare a preview so you can check how ads will appear. And when it's finished, it'll load the mobile view of your site. You'll also see this red button up top that says Get Code. Go ahead and click that. You'll get this pop-up that tells you to copy and paste the AdSense code in between the head tags of your site. So here's what we're going to do. Click the Copy button, return to Hosting or Horizons, and then type this prompt in the message field. Enter the following Google AdSense code between the head tags of every page of this website. Then hold Shift and click Enter or Return a couple of times to create some space, and paste in the code from Google AdSense. Then click Send. There won't be any visible changes to your site, but Hosting or Horizons has added this Google AdSense snippet in the background. Once it's processed this change, go ahead and publish it using the button in the top right. When it's published, go ahead and close out the confirmation window. Then return to the Google AdSense tab and close out the pop-up. Next, click the Refresh button to the left of your domain. If Hosting or Horizons successfully installed the code, after a refresh, you should see your app appear and that Get Code button will have disappeared. Next, let's turn on auto ads so Google can automatically optimize where to place ads on your site. On the right side, click the toggle next to auto ads. Then you'll see some preview Google ads appear in your app. Scroll through and check out how it looks. If you see any ad previews in locations that would be disruptive to the flow of your app, you can click the Not Allowed sign to exclude ads from that area of your app. Clicking that will open the Excluded Areas settings on the right side, and you'll see these blue bars appear throughout your site. You can hover over any blue bar and then click to exclude that area from automatic ad placement. Check out your mobile and desktop previews and exclude ads from any areas that would be disruptive for your users. When you're all done, in the bottom right, click Apply to Site. Then click Save. Finally, let's connect your site to AdSense. Click the Let's Go button in the final box. The first section in this final step is to verify site ownership, and by default, the AdSense code snippet method is selected. This is the code snippet we've already placed, so go ahead and click the checkbox saying, I've placed this code. Then click Verify. If you get this Couldn't Verify Your Site pop-up, you have a couple of options to fix it. The first option you can try is to tell Hosting or Horizons that the Google AdSense crawler can't find the code and to make sure that it's accessible. We'll go back to Hosting or Horizons and tell it about the problem. Once you type the message in, click Send. After the AI processes this change request, go ahead and click Publish in the top right to push these changes to the live website. Then return to Google AdSense, click OK to close this dialog, and then click Verify again. And just like that, our site is verified, so we can click Next. If for some reason that last method didn't work, the next best method is to try adding a meta tag. Check the meta tag option under Verify Site Ownership and then copy the code that's provided. Give it to Hostinger in the exact same way we provided the last block of code. But in our case, method 1 worked, so we'll continue on. Simply click Request Review at the bottom of the page. You'll be prompted to create a consent message for your sites. This is to ensure that your site adheres to various governmental regulations, so pick one of the first 2 options, and then click Submit. When you're all done, click the X in the top left to exit this window. Then back on the Google AdSense dashboard, click Sites in the left navigation, and here you'll see the current approval status of your site. Getting approval for Google AdSense can take a couple of days, so you'll want to check back on this later. They'll email you with any status updates, and if they need any changes, they'll let you know. Otherwise, Google Ads are all set to go.